Hey guys, it's me, Danielle Herrington, and welcome to Spicing It Up with Danielle Herrington. We are here at Kuro Japanese restaurant at the Seminole, Hard Rock, Hollywood, and I'm here with Tomo-san, and he's gonna show me how to make sushi for the first time.
Before we start, I have something for you.
Wow, thank you. Oh yeah. Okay, now let's get started.
These two type of tuna, bigger tuna. These three are bluefin tuna, most
Bluefin
expensive type of tuna. And when you cut, and you have to against the grain, the perpendicular
Against
to
the
the
grain.
Yes.
Sorry, it wasn't. Oh no.
Yes.
Look at this. I didn't saw, but start from like the back and kind
Yes.
of slice. Okay.
Good, good, good.
How did I do?
Very good.
So let's just pretend that I chopped this all up, and let's make a roll. Following you.
Okay. Seaweed. Okay, about a quarter pound of rice.
Okay, so we're making our balls.
Like balls.
Put it on the left side corner.
And then you spread
How are
down
you supposed to
like
flatten it? How are you
this.
supposed to-
We cover the seaweed by rice.
Sure.
We are making the most popular type of roll, uramaki,
Oh.
so we have to flip it. Okay.
Ah. Okay, I'm gonna use some of this tuna that I already used. Okay, I want veggies as well.
Yes. Okay, let's do. This is the hardest part.
2 thumbs under the roller.
Okay, or forefinger, hold ingredient. This bamboo roller edge touch to the, and then make shape. Good. Push,
Oh,
both
okay.
side, both side.
So you're
both
making a
side.
shape. All right, this is a big reveal, guys. My
Ta-da.
first sushi roll ever. Ta-da!
Ta-da, looks good.
Oh my God, it doesn't
Nice,
look bad.
Yes. Okay, let's play.
All right, make it fancy.
Make it fancy.
Some pieces are a little uneven, but you know what? So, I can't wait to taste this. But first, I know you brought some sauces because I love spice.
We have 3 type of spicy sauce, all house made.
This is the spicy mayo. This is the Kuro spicy. And then we have spicy miso. Cheers!
Cheers.
So I'm gonna try the spicy miso now. Got a lot.
How is it?
I wasn't expecting that flavor. It's kind of sweet. It's super good. Thank you so much. This was delicious. I'm so happy that I know how to make sushi now. I'm gonna go home and try to make it for my friends.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for having me.